It's a 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is a talented multitasker with impressive fuel economy, thoughtful safety features, and a powerful performance. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.